Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am JK. I want to show you how to do soft locks individuals. This is not a crochet, it's an individual soft locks. This is how we do it. I'm taking it so fast. We first do twist. We twist the natural hair without any other extension into the hair. This is how we twist it. So far I've done some parts of twisting. Now let me show you how exactly we do it. We section our hair like this. This is how we section our boxes. Don't forget to use gel. You can use gel. I use here I use molding gel to help me in sectioning very well, sectioning my boxes. It makes them neat, and of course molding gel has different purposes, moisturizing hair. Then after sectioning my lanes, my box like this, one small box I section it into 3 parts, and then I start threes. I start with threes, then I turn it into twist, into twos, that is twist. I do twist the hair like this, and I twist until I finish it. I don't leave any hair untwisted. It has to all be twisted for the cause you are going to see in a few minutes to come in this video. This is how I twist it. I go to another box. I section it very well like this. I cut my boxes using a comb. This is called a tail comb. It has a tail, it is pointed at the end. Then I apply my gel. I hold my hair together, then I get 3 parts into this small box. After getting my 3 parts, I start doing threes. I just do it for a few centimeters, then I turn it into twists, just like the way I'm doing it here. Just like the way I'm doing it here. The twist is a bit tight. I do this twist that is not loose. The reason why I do it like this, because I want this hair to be packed, so that it can do very well when I'm installing the soft locks. That's the reason why I make sure my twist is really, really tight. I've fixed it so well, I twist it so well. And I start with threes because it helps my boxes to be neat. And of course, if I want to lock in future, when you start with threes, it's very easy for you to lock. These are my twists, hair twists. No extension is into this hair. The next session is to install my locks. These are soft locks. They're in different types. I crochet them. I get my crochet hook and I'm crocheting them into the hair. This is how they crochet them into the hair. This is a simple tutorial, you can learn it. It's very simple and easy and quick. And of course, as I told you, all the tutorials I bring on this hair channel, I upload, they're all protective to the hair and of course to the hairline. I think you can see how I crochet my soft locks into my twists, into the boxes. This is how I crochet my soft locks. I first go on crocheting them like this. You're going to watch my next step. I first go on crocheting them like this. It's better you do one thing at a time, but when you crochet and then you say let me crochet and finish it at once, let me crochet and also fix into the hair and to the locks at once, it might take more time, but if you do one thing at a time, it's better. So this is how I go on doing it. I'm crocheting my locks. The locks, these are called, they are soft locks. They are very, very soft. They are soft and they are very, very light. I go on doing it, and then the next, let me take it to the next part. The next session is making my hair, passing my hair through these locks, putting them into the locks. They don't have to be outside the locks, they have to be inside the locks. I use a crochet, and I crochet into the locks, and I get this hair. I put it inside the locks, just like this. Watch what I'm doing. You can do it by yourself. You can teach it to your students. If you have a hairdressing school, you can learn it by yourself, or it might be if you want your hairdresser to learn it and do it to you, it's also possible. This is how I fix my hair into the locks. Greetings to everyone tuning in this channel. I'm taking it so fast into this. I'm doing my very last. I'm doing my last strand. This is how I fix the hair into the locks. You should learn this technique. It's very easy. It's very, very pain-free. If you want to give your clients a good time when doing this hair, when doing locks, individual locks, you can choose this technique. It is so pain-free, no pain involved at all. The process is very, very nice and good and quick. This is how we do it. If it's your first time to tune in this channel, please do subscribe. Don't forget to comment, give me a like, share, and of course click on notification bell for more uploads. I upload videos every single day, and here we are done with our softy locks tutorial. These are individuals, ombre, it's ombre color. We are done with them. You can see how nice they look. I do thank you, and I salute you from wherever you are watching. I love you so much. See you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye. I love you all. Bye bye again.